I'm Helen Fellers. I'm known as the Reading Rooster. I have books to crow about and books to recommend. One of our viewers in the Greenville area sent me the Easter bonnet. It is a vintage hat and it is perfect for the occasion. Penguin has My First Easter. It's a board book. It's by Tommy DiPaolo, and it's very simple, and it starts all with the vivid illustrations and simple text. It is a cheerful watercolor presentation. And Penguin also has done, by the same author, My First Passover, and it also has the simple text and gives you all the information for the very youngest. Now we have a bunny book called Betty Bunny. Betty Bunny Loves Easter. It's a Dial publication. It's by Michael Kaplan, and it's all about a bunny taking eggs and having an egg hunt. And speaking of bunnies, Rosemary Wells, who's been here to our center and has been here to Columbia many times, has written one called Read to Your Bunny. This board book, at the very end of it, says, read to your bunny often and your bunny will read to you. I'd like to give a shout out to two of our viewers. One is a young man named Noah. He's at Round Top Elementary, and he is an avid reader. And I'd give a shout out to Miss T's class, first grade at Meadow Glen. I visited last Friday, had such a wonderful time, and keep reading.